The Harukiku 130A MIG-135 Welder is a versatile tool that combines three functions in one, allowing for non-gas semi-automatic arc and lift TIG welding, making it suitable for various metal types. This welder is equipped with an intelligent AI welding assistant that automatically adjusts the welding parameters, ensuring optimal performance and minimal spatter, which enhances the overall welding experience. The dual voltage capability of the Harukiku welder enables seamless operation on both 110-volt and 220-volt power supplies, providing flexibility for household and professional use. Weighing just 3.5 kilograms, this compact and lightweight welder is designed for easy portability, complete with a handle and detachable shoulder strap for convenient outdoor use. The safety features of this welder are comprehensive, including protections against overutilization, voltage fluctuations, overcurrent, overload, and abnormal temperatures, ensuring user safety during operation. Harukiku offers a solid warranty package with a 1-year warranty that can be extended for another year upon product registration, alongside a 30-day return and exchange policy for peace of mind.